Good morning, friends. So let's have a look at a problem which has been asked from current electricity in NEET 2023. So in this problem, what we're having a circuit which has two loops. This is loop 1 and this is loop 2. And there are two cells, as we can see from the circuit. One cell is having EMF of 10 volt and other cell is having EMF of 2 volt. Now the question asks us, if the galvanometer connected here shows zero deflection, what should be the value of this resistor R? I have to get the value of resistor R for which this galvanometer shows zero deflection or null deflection. Now what should I do? I will use the concept of nodal analysis in this circuit. What should I do? If I will mark this point of the circuit as 0, it has zero potential. That means this also has zero potential, this also has zero potential. Now there's a cell which has a potential difference 2 volt. So this means this point and this point has a potential difference of 2 volt. Because this cell will maintain the potential difference 2 volt between these 2 points. So that means this point will also be at 2 volt. And here's a cell of potential difference 10 volt. That means this cell will contribute a potential of 10 volt at this point, because potential difference between these 2 points is 10 volt. As I already said, I have marked this point as 0. That means this point will have a potential of 10 volt. This point, I don't know what will be the potential of this point. This I have to get. Now the question states, this galvanometer has zero deflection, and I know current flows because of potential difference. So when there is potential difference between any 2 points inside the circuit, there will be current. And if this galvanometer is having zero deflection, that means potential difference between these 2 points will be 0. So from that concept, I will say this will be also at 2 volt. No problem. So if this point is also at 2 volt, if this point is also at 2 volt, that means current across this will be 0. Now, what is the potential difference across these 2 points? It is 2 volt. So there will be current from high potential, low potential. So this part of the circuit, this part of the loop will have no current. So there will be current across this, there will be current across this resistor, and these two will be in series. So if there's a potential difference of 2 volt between these 2 points, so there will be potential difference of 8 volt across this resistor. So that means, what should I say? 400 ohm and this R ohm will be in series. So there will be a potential difference across 400 ohm resistor will be 8 volt. So that means what should be the current? As we know from Ohm's law, current into resistance will be equal to 8 volt. What should be the value of current? This should be 8 by 400 ampere. This current will flow across this resistor and this will flow across R also. So what should be my value of R? Potential difference across R, I know from the circuit, is 2 minus 0, that will be 2. Now, across this resistor, what should be the potential drop? Current will be same as across this. The amount of current flowing across 400 ohm will be same as flowing across R ohm into resistor R is equal to 2 volt. The value of I will pump the value here. 8 divided by 400 into R will be equal to 2. That means 2 ones, 2 fours. That means the value of R will be 100 ohm. This is a simple problem. Simple as you get.